In this video I want to show you how to gold plate a worn off grill from a microphone. It's an old microphone, and it's very rare apparently, they told me. You can see the top just about, it's worn. So I polished it already a little bit with a polishing mop. You can see it now a little bit. I put it on a white paper here, you maybe can see it better, but it's definitely worn the top. It's difficult to see because of the mesh. Anyway, so let's have a go and gold plate this. There are a couple of marks on the grill itself. You may notice there are 2 marks on the grill itself. It's a little bit bended, tiny bit. Yeah, use MPU. I use MPU because I use MPU all the time, basically. But in this case, I would recommend to use cleaner. I would clean it first with cleaner and then activator with brush, or in a little beaker or so. Would be maybe the best anyway. Because I haven't set up my little brushes and for cleaning and activating, I use MPU. It works as well. So let's see how it goes. I'll do the sides as well, of course, because even there's still gold on there quite well actually, and the rear as well. Of course I replay the whole lot. I go over inside, outside, everywhere. So I make sure I use the MPU inside as well. Yeah. Any info about, you know, MPU and stuff like this, I have another video somewhere. How to use MPU and blah blah blah. How to use cleaner and activator in a beaker as well. Any if you want anything like that, you can get it from my eBay shop or Golden Solution Co. UK, or you go directly to Spa Plating. Yeah, rinse it well after that. Even the contamination is not an issue with MPU. This is why I love it so much, and it's easy to use. So now we start with the plating. Make sure the cable is in. Plus cable and the swap. I use a swap. Minus on the item always. Unless you chrome strip, then it's the other way around. So I'll put my details down here on the bottom. You can see it now. Golden Solution Co. UK. eBay shop. Gold and Silver 01. Let's start. So I use fresh solution, of course, and plate with about 5 volt. So I go over, you can see straight away it's covering up very well. Well, it's mesh. It's difficult to see with the camera because it's mesh, but I think you can see it just about. It's already covered. Yeah, put it underneath the paper. You maybe can see it better. It's still liquid in between, but it's definitely already plated now. So I go over a few times to build up a nice layer, and then I go all around, all the way around the areas which are not worn off, to make sure everything is the same color. But the color match is really well. So it looks like they played it before in the same 24 karat gold as this. Yeah. Make sure, especially the corners. Corners are very well plated. Well, in this case, is a microphone mesh. The reason why it worn off is, I guess it's because you go close to it. You normally don't touch them really. You could go close, and because of your breath, and I don't know, it maybe comes off. But otherwise, I don't know really why it comes off so only on the front, because you never really touch it, Anyway, see how it goes. So put a few I played for a while here because I want to put a nice thick layer on there. The more you play it, the thicker it gets, of course. And then I do it inside as well, a little bit, even inside. It doesn't matter. Just to touch it up a little bit, just in case someone take it apart and there's a color different or something like this. I always played inside anyway. With everything, what I do really. It's like, I don't know, maybe my German side is coming out there, I don't know. Right, this is the item, you can see it now. You can see it better now, it's covered up really well, it looks really good. The camera doesn't pick it up that well, because this mesh is difficult to see for the camera anyway. Yeah. Even it looks like it's not plated on some places. Yeah, that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.